in this first half. Third versus fourth. Well, these two teams played out the 2017 decider, but one of them will be sent packing this afternoon as Dapto get first use of the football line. They'll get first chance to score some points with Jones. Jones decides to keep it low. Freeman's had an absolute barrier in Nimi Kia. And he gets up, gets a quick play the ball for Roberts to go down the short side. Moon dummies, and Moon scores. Well, the unlikely starter has got the Canaries into the red zone. Syker to the line. Lalia getting through, and he's got his brother on the outside. Keith Lalia scores. Dapto back in it.
Beautiful, beautiful ball playing there from
So McGregor at dummy half, short side to Robson. Robson puts it on the boot, ready, coming through. Keogh, he's at an air swing again. Well, 15 metres away, a desperate tackle from Fianga. Now Syker throwing the ball. Lalia out to his winger. That's a try. DJ Harris. 10 points all as Taylor Cleveland points to the spot. Well, Collegians, will they be taking the train out of here? They'll certainly hope not as Scott goes to Manton. Manton reaches out, plants it down, and the Dogs bite back. Murphy standing flat, offload out the back. Syker going back towards where Murphy got that offload away. He gets an offload out to Henderson, who throws the cut out to Keogh.
Michael Henderson.
Well, from villain to hero for Nimi Keogh. And what about the playmaking duties there from and now
he's got over there, I think he has. I think it's Dylan McGregor on the back of it.
He points to this. There's Dylan McGregor to play. 21 metres out. Robson looking for Keogh. This is his chance. Keogh comes up, picks it up.
There it is. Has he got there? He has. Well, there you go.
Unbelievable turnaround in this game. Robson at first receiver. Batiki on the inside. Batiki towards the post. He's close. He's there.
It was tough for them at times this year. They finished fourth. They had to do it the hard way. Knew they would have to do it.